Are you browse social media most of the time? And are you looking for ways in making money online? Well, you clicked the right video. Because today I will show you how to make money online using social media. The method that we'll be doing today is to convert your social media account to a money machine. Now I'll begin with a step-by-step tutorial. But first of all, I want to show you payment proof. Here you can see recent withdrawal history. They paid over $18,000 by over 11,000 payments. Here you can see user code name, payment amount, payment method, payment status, and date. Here you can see so many payment proofs. People all over the world make every day. You probably think those are so little amount because they don't use any automation system. If you watch this video until the end, I will show you some automation systems as a bonus so that you can make even more money. And I'll show you how to do this very easily. But don't worry, this works all over the world. And this is absolutely free. You don't need to invest any money at all. This method is beginner friendly. So you don't need any skills or experience to do this. All you need to do is stick with me until the end so that you won't miss out on important details. And if you miss it, you are probably not able to make any money. Many people go directly to the website and do things on their own. What happens is that they do something wrong. And when they do something wrong, they can't cash out their earnings. And they won't make any money at all, so try to avoid that. So watch the video until the end so that you can start earning money as soon as this video ends. But before we dive into the video, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you'll always be updated whenever I upload a new money-making method like this. Now let's get started. Here you can see they have over 600,000 members and over 7,000 members sign up today. And you can also see how many people are active now on this site. This is a platform that we never talked about before. It's 100% free to register. Millions of people all over the world use social media every day. But they can't make any money at all. Now I want you to think if you have been using social media for years. During that period, thinking about how many likes you've left on others' posts. The number is probably over 1,000, right? But if you sign up to this free website, you can make money for every like that you leave. And it doesn't matter where you're coming from because it works worldwide. Now before I explain how these works, make sure to drop a like below. The website is called likesplanet.com. First of all, you need to register. After registration, you need to set it up properly. And then I will show you how you can maximize your results and earn money automatically as a bonus tip. Now click on the register button right here. Once you click on that, you will land on this page. Here you need to create a free account by entering your username, but you need to choose a unique name. You can use letters and numbers here. Then enter your valid email address, repeat it. Then type a strong password, repeat it. You can leave the referral box empty. Solve this easy CAPTCHA. And then click on the register button right here. But remember, do not register more than one account. If you do, you might not withdraw your money or they will ban your account. And I don't want that to happen. Once you log into your account, here you'll be able to track your points. It's a new account, that's why there are not be a lot of points. When you want to cash out your money, simply click on the cash out button right here. Once you click on that, you will land on this page. You can request a payout payment when you have only $2. And they will transfer your money within 8 days. Here you will see your balance in dollars. When you reach over $2, enter your withdrawal amount, payment address, and then hit on this request cash out button right here. That's how you withdraw money from this website. But before you withdraw, you need to collect money first. To collect points which you can exchange for money, you need to hover your mouse on this earn points button. Here you can see so many options like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and so on. For example, I'm going to get paid to leave Facebook likes. All I have to do is hover on Facebook and then click on the page like. Once you click on that, you will land on this page. Over to this page, you will find all of these different pages, which you can like and get paid for doing that. For example, I'm going to like this page. When you click on the like button right here, it will redirect you to Facebook, where you can like the page. After like the page, go back to the website. You will see points added to your balance message here. Now repeat the same process again and again. And the more you like, the more money you'll earn. And when you finish these tasks on this page, simply scroll a little bit down and click on load more pages, and that's going to give you more Facebook pages, which you can like and from which you can make money. And if you want to maximize your results, you can also use other platforms like Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, and so on. For example, I want to click on YouTube video likes. Once you click on it, you will land on this page. Here you can see so many videos to like. When you click on the like button, it will redirect you to YouTube. Simply click the like button, go back to the website, and you will have your points added automatically. But it's not going to make you thousands of dollars every single day, because 5,000 points equal $1. As I promised you at the beginning of this video, if you stay with me, I will give you some bonus tips so that you can make even more money. Simply click on this bar. After clicking, you will land on this page. You will earn 50% of all your referrals. That means if a person that you referred makes $100, with this website you'll receive $50 for free, completely passive. But they won't lose the $50, they will still get their money. This website gives you that extra money as a referral commission. Here is your referral link, which you can share with other people all over the internet so they can register. So copy that link and go to webmasterson.com. This is a make money online forum where people that are interested in making money online. Now you can register this forum and create a post with your referral link. And you type something along the lines of this website. By doing that, thousands of people will be able to see that link and potentially sign up, because it's absolutely free and they don't need to spend any money. So a lot of them will be willing to sign up through your referral link. This is one of the traffic source. Our next traffic source is Facebook.com. You can share your link on different Facebook groups about making money online. Now let's calculate your potential earning. If you get 50 referrals, if one referral makes $50 per month, you will get $1,250 per month, completely passive. That's it for today's video. Watch this video if you think this method is complicated for you. Like this video and subscribe to this channel for getting this kind of video.